Welcome to Third Heavy. Soupy was so unhappy he thought the arrest seemed an unattainable Arcadia. Now, in a cigar store, he saw a well dressed man lighting a cigar who had set his silk umbrella by the door. So, Soupy tried to step inside and took the umbrella and moved slowly. When the cigar man watched Soupy, he made strong protest that it was his umbrella. Soupy suggested him if it was his umbrella, then call the police. But instantly man turned back and said Soapy that if it was his umbrella, then took it. Soapy said proudly, of course it was mine. Again, third attempt of arrest was also unsuccessful. Soapy walked eastward. He threw the umbrella. That means here we come up to this line. Of course it's mine, said Soapy savagely. The ex-umbrella man retreated. The policeman hurried to assist a tall blonde in an opera cloak across the street in front of a streetcar that was approaching 2 blocks away. Soapy walked eastward through a street damaged by improvements. He hurled the umbrella angrily into an excavation. He muttered against the men who wear helmets and carry clubs because he wanted to fall into their clutches. They seemed to regard him as a king who could do nothing wrong. At length, Soapy reached one of the avenues to the east where the glitter and turmoil was but faint. He dragged himself toward Madison Square, for the homing instinct survives even when the home is a park bench. But on an unusually quiet corner, Soapy came to a standstill. Here was an old church, quaint and rambling and gabled. Through one violet-stained window a soft light glowed where no doubt the organist loitered over the keys, making sure of his mastery of the coming Sabbath anthem, for there drifted out to Soapy's ears sweet music that caught and held him transfixed against the convolutions of the iron fence. The moon was above, full and radiant. Vehicles and pedestrians were few. Sparrows twittered sleepily in the eaves, or a little while the scene might have been a country churchyard, and the anthem that the organist played cemented Soapy to the iron fence. For he had known it well in the days when his life contained such things as mothers and roses and ambitions and friends and immaculate thoughts and collars. The conjunction of Soapy's receptive state of mind and the influences about the old church brought a sudden and wonderful change in his soul. He viewed with rising horror the pit into which he had tumbled, the degraded days, unworthy desires, dead hopes, wrecked faculties, and base motives that made up his existence. And also, in a moment, his heart responded thrillingly to this strange mood. A strong impulse moved him to a battle with disparate fact. He would pull himself out of the mire and would make a man of himself again. He would conquer the evil that had enslaved him. There was time he was young yet. He would resurrect his old eager ambitions and pursue them without faltering. Those solemn but sweet organ notes had set up a revolution in him. Tomorrow he would go into the roaring downtown district and find work. A fur importer had once offered him a place as a driver. He would be somebody in the world, he would. Soapy felt a hand laid on arm. He looked quickly around into the impassive face of a policeman. What are you doing here? Asked the officer. Nothing, said Soapy. Then come along, said the policeman. 3 months on the island, said the magistrate in the police court the next morning. Okay, now we again go line by line. According to me, we come up to this word, premonition. Of course, said the umbrella man. Well, you know how these mistakes occur. If it is your umbrella, I hope you will excuse me. I pick up it this morning in a restaurant. If you recognize it as yours, why, I hope you will. Of course, it is mine, said Soapy savagely. Said Soapy savagely. Here, That means we come up to this part. The ex-umbrella man retreated. The policeman hurried to assist a tall blonde. Blonde means a person with a pale yellow hair. But here, blonde stands for here blonde stands for beautiful woman. सुंदर स्त्री म्हणून इथे आलेले blonde. The policeman hurried to assist means to help. Hurried to help a tall beautiful woman in an opera cloak here. Cloak means loose outer garment. एक विशिष्ट असं अंगावरचं वस्त्र जे आहे त्याला एक म्हटलंय क्लोक. ओपेरा क्लोक across the street in front of a streetcar that was approaching 2 blocks away. Soapy walked eastward through a street damaged by improvement. He hurled means threw away. He hurled the umbrella angrily into an excavation. Excavation. Here excavation means dig out. Dig out. एक खणून काढलेला एक विशिष्ट असा खड्डा जो आहे त्याला म्हटलं एक्सकॅव्हेशन. खणलेला. And excavation, he muttered means said something in a low voice. हळू आवाजात बोलणं. He muttered against the men who wear helmets and carry clubs because he wanted to fall into their clutches. They seemed to regard him as a king who could do nothing wrong. At length, Soapy reached one of the avenues to the east. Here, avenue means one kind of street. One of the street to the east where the glitter and turmoil was. Turmoil means a state of great disturbance. गोंधळाची अवस्था किंवा गोंधळ जी आहे turmoil. Was but faint. He dragged himself toward the Madison Square. For the homing instinct. Instinct means natural tendency. एक विशिष्ट अशी मानवी प्रवृत्ती जी आहे त्याची एक मनाचा कल ज्याला म्हटलंय. होमिंग इन्स्टिंक्ट सर्वाइव्स इवन व्हेन द होम इज अ पार्क बेंच. या ठिकाणी तो आता आलेला आहे मेडिसिन स्क्वेअरमध्ये त्या चर्चच्या जवळ तो आता बसलेला आहे. बट ऑन अन अनयुज्युअली क्वाईट कॉर्नर सोपी केम टू अ स्टँडस्टिल. हिअर वॉज अन ओल्ड चर्च. क्वेंट मीन्स अट्रॅक्टिव्हली अनयुज्युअल ऑर ओल्ड फॅशन. क्वेंट एक जुन्या पद्धतीचे असं त्याला म्हटलंय. जुन्या पद्धतीचे चर्च या अर्थाने. क्वेंट अँड rambling and gabbled. Rambling means spreading or winding irregularly in a various direction. एक विशिष्ट अशा पद्धतीने पसरलेलं जे आहे त्याची जागा जी आहे रॅम्बलिंग चर्चची. And gabbled means constructed with gables, the triangular upper part of a wall at the end of the ridge roof. एक विशिष्ट छपराच्या पाख्याखालील भिंतीचा त्रिकोणी भाग जो आहे त्याला गॅबल्ड असं म्हणतात. छपराच्या फाक्याखालील भिंतीचा त्रिकोणी भाग त्याला गॅबल्ड असं एक विशिष्ट वर्णन त्या चर्चचं आलंय. गॅबल्ड. थ्रू वन व्हायलेट स्टेन विंडो अ सॉफ्ट लाईट ग्लोड व्हेअर नो डाऊट द ऑर्गनिस्ट लॉयटर्ड ओव्हर द की. लॉयटर्ड मीन्स टू लिंगर ऑर वेंट स्लोली. थांबत वाजवणं. छान पद्धतीने ते जे बोटा आहे त्या ऑर्गनवर त्याचे फिरतायत. लॉयटर्ड ओव्हर द कीज मेकिंग शुअर ऑफ हिज मास्टरी ऑफ द कमिंग सॅबॅथ अँथम. सॅबॅथ अँथम. सॅबॅथ मीन्स अ डे ऑफ रिलिजियस ऑब्झर्वन्स अँड ऑब्स्टिनन्स फ्रॉम द वर्क केप्ट बाय ज्यूज अँड ख्रिसमस. तर विशिष्ट ख्रिश्चन लोकांचा हा एक विशिष्ट सण आहे. एक धार्मिक दिवस आहे ज्या दिवशी ते धार्मिक गाणं गायलं जातं. सॅबाथ एक विशिष्ट प्रकारचा ख्रिश्चन लोकांचा सण आहे. तो विशिष्ट असा तो दिवस. फॉर देअर ड्रिफ्टेड आउट टू सोपीज इयर स्वीट म्युझिक दॅट कॉट अँड हेल्ड हिम ट्रान्सफिक्स. ट्रान्सफिक्स मीन्स हिप्नॉटाइज ऑर स्पेल बाउंड. मंत्रमुग्ध होणे. ट्रान्सफिक्स. अगेन्स्ट द कन्व्होल्युशन्स ऑफ द आयर्न. कन्व्होल्युशन मीन्स कॉइल्स ऑर ट्विस्ट. तर विशिष्ट ठिकाणी तो थांबलेला आहे. ऐकतो आहे. ओके, हिअर वी स्टॉप.